Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing or unbagging of Ipsy. And I used to subscribe to Ipsy months ago, and then I probably quit like maybe close to a year ago because I had too many subscription boxes out there. So I did cancel a couple of them that I had, the two jewelry ones. Jewelry box, and I can't remember the name of the other one. So I decided to try Ipsy again. It's $10 a month. And you get 5 deluxe size samples. Once in a while you do get a full size, like a lipstick or something like that, or a blush. But it's usually deluxe samples. I kind of stopped doing it because I felt like I was getting like repeat samples all the time, like the same eyeliners, you know, brands that I really didn't know, and I really didn't care for the products. But I have seen so many unboxings in the last few months that it seems like they're getting MAC and some really nice products in there, so I thought I'd give it a try again. So this is the October bag, which most of you have probably seen most of the samples in here, but I only resubscribed like 2 weeks ago, so I didn't think I was going to get October. I thought I was going to get November as my first box. So let's see what's in it. Okay, so we're going to open it up together. I have not opened this up. So this is a little bag, and it's cute. It's like a leather or vinyl, but it's like a matte material. It has like a little mask in the front, I guess for Halloween, which is really cute. And I like these little bags. These are nice for, you know, to carry some extra makeup on in your purse, and they don't take up a lot of room. Or sometimes I use it to put extra samples in my giveaways, or if I'm going to give my daughter some samples or makeup, or my granddaughter, I usually use the extra makeup bags. So the little card says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" So let's see what's in it. So the first sample is by Yensa, and is Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. So I guess it's a primer with a glow. I'm not sure. I'm going to open it because it has so many primers. I never heard of this brand before, so I really couldn't tell you much about it. And this is like 0.24 grams or ounces, I'm sorry, 7 millimeters of product. It says A Super Blocks Essence. So it's supposed to even and brighten skin tone, natural radiant finish, blurs imperfections, enhances, prolongs, and foundation wear. So enhances and prolongs foundation wear. Alright, so this may be a nice product. It would be nice for traveling, to take something with you. It's nice and little. The next product is by this is Fresh, I believe, right? First Aid Beauty. And this is Intense Hydration and Dry Parched Skin. And this is a Ultra Repair Cream. So this is a moisturizer. This, I have heard of this, and I have used their products before. This is a nice brand. And I do like the Fresh brand. I have not used their moisturizers. I have used their face wash. It's not sealed, so I'm going to use it. It really doesn't have a scent, and if it does, it's very, very slight. But it feels good on the skin. Usually they have like coconut water in their products. Intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Safe for sensitive skin. So this one doesn't say that it has coconut water, but a lot of their products do. It's allergy tested and fragrance free. So this is definitely a nice little product. It's a nice size too. So that was a good one. Okay, now I have Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY. I've heard of that brand before, but I've never tried it. So this is a little package that it comes in. It's a cute little box. Oh, this is a cute little packaging. Look, that's really cute. I like that. I always try to open these wrong. So this is a highlighter. It looks nice and light, so this will be great for, especially for fair skin. Feels very buttery and soft. It definitely looks pretty on the skin. I don't know if you can see it. I didn't do it very Let me do it a little brighter. But it does look like something I can wear because it definitely, you can go subtle or you can go more bang. It doesn't have any glitter, which I like. I don't like highlighters with glitter, so I definitely like this. Let me see if it says the shade. It just says Radiant Glow. It doesn't give me a shade, but that's pretty. Let me see if it says that on the box. Nope. I like that. So that's 3. So the next product is a brush, and this is by, I can't read it through the plastic. Here we go. This looks like an eyeliner brush, or you know, if you want to do your eyebrows. But these are nice for if you want to put shadow under your lower lash line. These work really, really well because it's very thin. I like these. And it's by the brand, I can't read that, Brow something. But so that's all right, a little brush. And last but not least, this is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I have so many of these samples that if I put them all together, I probably have a full-size bottle. I like this, I really do. I have a full size, and I like to have these for, even though this one looks a little light, I like to have these for traveling, the little ones, but I have so many. Yeah, this looks a little light. This is probably okay for the winter when I'm super pale, but I do like the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. It's very nice, but I have to have at least 10 of these. So I do like it because it doesn't get cakey. It's not matte, it's more like a satin matte. So it always looks nice on the skin. So this is everything that was in my bag. I think it was okay. This was definitely nice. These 3 are my favorite products. The even though I have so many, but the Makeup Forever. I'm gonna give this one to my granddaughter because she's lighter skinned than I am, so she may like that. The highlighter and the moisturizer is definitely a nice one, so I'm happy with that. And these may be nice also. I never heard of Yensa, so I really don't know anything about this makeup, but this is a nice thing also about beauty boxes. You get to try brands that normally you wouldn't buy because you don't know anything about them, and you can always use an extra brush. So as for the makeup that I'm wearing today, on my face, the foundation that I'm wearing is the Maybelline 24 Hour foundation, and I do enjoy this foundation quite a bit. It always looks nice on your face. I actually didn't put any concealer on today. My bags were not that bad. My dark circles were not that bad. I used the Milani loose powder in 01. It's translucent light to medium, and that's what it looks like. I keep forgetting I have this, and I'm trying to rotate through my products. The blush that I am wearing is this palette here from Tarte, and you guys, I still have this for sale on Tarte, and I love this palette. This is probably the most used blush palette that I go to all the time because it has such pretty colors, and you know, you really can't overdo it. It has this peachy one, and then this one is like a deeper rose than this one here. So if you need blushes, this is a great option. It's not that expensive. This palette is not that expensive. It's called the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Make every moment count. The packaging is beautiful for traveling. It's really nice because you got 3 different options. But I looked on their website yesterday and it's still available. So if you need any blushes, this is definitely a nice option. Or even if, I don't know if they carry it at Sephora, but Ulta, if you get like a coupon and it's available, I would grab it. It's really nice. Then for highlighter, I'm using Desi and Katie Fuego highlighter, which is so pretty. And it looks dark, but it really isn't. When you apply it, it's got like a gold sheen. It's this one right here. But it's very subtle. It really is. It's not, I mean, I'm sure you can make it a lot more, you know, pronounced, but you know me, I like it subtle. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Bare Minerals, and this is their new eyeshadow palette. This is the Aurora Lights, And this is a very pretty palette. I'm not going to say much about it right now because I do want to create a look with it and review it for you and tell you exactly how I feel about it. I do like it. I love taking these things off. I do like it. It does have a very nice mirror, but I do have some thoughts on it. And maybe if I would have done a little more research, I wouldn't have purchased it. But I am glad I have it in my collection. It did work very nicely. I think it created a pretty look. So I'm not sorry I have it. But maybe if I would have done a little bit of research, which I normally don't, if I like something, I just buy it, and that's a problem I have. On my lips, I am wearing Nudestix, and this is Rose, the color Rose. And this is a deluxe size that I have. And as you can see, it's very pretty. And it does go on matte on your lips. It goes on very smoothly, but it does dry matte. So I always feel like I kind of have to put like a gloss over it. And I'm wearing it with the Huda Beauty lip liner and Trophy Wife. And then I put a little bit of the Laura Mercier lip gloss right in the center, just to give it a little bit of moisture and a little bit of shine. And that's what it looks like. And this is in the color, which I'm not going to be able to see. I will list it below. My mascara, I am using the Tarteist Mascara from Tarte. And I do like this mascara. It does a great job of separating your lashes, giving you length, and it gives you volume. However, the brush is one of those spiky brushes that you have to be super careful, because these things hurt. They're painful. Even if you don't poke your eye, if you just get it close to the lash line, it is very painful. So, I mean, this is a deluxe sample that I had. I don't think it's anything I would buy because I'm always in a hurry and I will probably end up poking my eye with this. But it's nice. It's a nice mascara. If you get a sample of it, try it, but be careful. It can be very painful. Okay guys, so this is it for my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Ipsy is okay. I'm going to try it for a couple of months and see what happens. I do know that now they have an Ipsy glam bag, which I think it's like $29.99. You have to be subscribed to Ipsy in order to be eligible to go for the glam bag, I think they call it, which is I think like $30, and it's supposed to be like have over $100 worth of products in it. I'm not sure how it works, but I know that they have like a bigger bag that it may be quarterly. I think that something like what BoxyCharm is doing, but I'm not really familiar with it. I didn't really look into it, but I did see it, that I got an email on that. So are you interested in something like that? If you already have Ipsy, you may want to go ahead and look into it, and you know, maybe something that you may want to get. I'm not sure what kind of products they have. I know they're full size, but I don't know what brands they are carrying or they're going to be giving you or anything like that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I love you, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye. Mwah.